Building a budget gaming PC for $200. Hey there, and welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today we will build a desktop PC with a limited budget. Building a gaming PC for just $200? Sounds crazy, right? Well, I'm here to prove it's not only possible, but also fun. In this video, I'll show you how to assemble a budget PC with a dedicated GPU step by step, including a detailed overview of each part so you know exactly what you're working with. Let's jump right in. Wide shot. Host points to the components laid out on the table with price tags overlaid. Before we start building, let's talk about the parts that make up this $200 powerhouse. Each component has been carefully selected to provide the best value for the price. Here's the breakdown. Processor: Intel Core i3-10100F, price $60. This 4-core, 8-thread processor delivers excellent performance for gaming and multitasking. It's perfect for budget builds, though it doesn't have integrated graphics. Graphics card: NVIDIA GTX 750 Ti, price $50 refurbished. A compact, efficient GPU ideal for esports titles and light 1080p gaming. It doesn't require extra power cables, making it great for this budget build. Motherboard: Gigabyte H410 MS2H, price $50. This micro ATX board is compatible with our CPU and offers all the essential features, including support for DDR4 RAM and multiple PCIe slots. Memory: 8GB DDR4 2666 MHz, price $20. A single stick of RAM is sufficient for gaming and multitasking on a budget. Storage: 240GB SSD, price $20. Fast storage for your operating system and a few games. You can always upgrade later if needed. Power supply: EVGA 400W1, 80+ white 400W PSU, price $30. A reliable PSU with enough power to handle this build and future upgrades. Case: Keydier's Micro ATX case, price $30. Compact and budget-friendly with decent airflow, perfect for a first build. Camera pans over the parts for a final wide shot before cutting to the next segment. And there you have it, a $200 gaming PC with a dedicated GPU, ready for esports titles and light gaming. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more budget builds. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for future videos. Thanks for watching and happy building.